Beneficiary in Nilip demands replacement of wood for PMAYG house. Good morning viewers, you are watching Karbiano Live Morning News with your host Jirbon Kilingpi. And now let's look into the news in detail. Beneficiary of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin or PMAYG schemes under the Nilip development block of Karbi Anglong has demanded replacement of the wood to be used for construction of their houses. The beneficiaries have alleged that the woods brought by contractor are of those which cannot be used for construction purposes. Koilamati area Wophangrongpi village resident Projan Inti is one of the beneficiaries of the PMAYG house for the year 2018-19, told Karbi Anglong Live that the contractor identified as Jiten Hanse brought wooden planks which belongs to C-class tree locally called Thebo or fig tree, Parche or silk floss tree, Parkong or Siba tree, which cannot be used for construction as these trees do not have hardwood and would be easily broken and degrade. Further, the beneficiary told Karbi Anglong Live that this wood would not stand a chance against any pressure and would easily broken against storms which are very frequent every year. Following this, the beneficiary has sought clarification whether funds sanctioned for construction of his house under the PMAYG house is adequate or not for purchase of construction materials which are normally used. Meanwhile, the beneficiary has urged upon the contractor and authority for immediate replacement of the wooden planks in the interest and safety of the poor family.
Surihira kretroganing kan pen non surihira inquiry si andala pusina ko tang tuyi pusining ye bom setami mistri te inuta nang toite ning phope ong sinili alang tuman si mistri khorsana pipedet pusitaning oi e hormu hota nang thok non la sinili mithang ba jikim ja to punon la bang so hem ita icha cheni lat ke kangthin pusita ke gathi pusita nili mithang ban si chiklem hajira nili phan ek toka tawla
te non la bangso nangli nung la bangso theng PR chung re nang ke la bangso nangli hem phan no man te la
o ka panong ke nili hem phan polo sitame la bangso hem ke thang la bangso thi pi ke thang da ning joi nu athe Thebo ade ke pharchi la poson si wan roi anke
Parkong Parche Thebo la
son si wan do Thebo la pu bang ke Thebo lo hala hai ke pharchi lo la son si thingpi kang dok si wan dan li tum Borjan Wophangrong piarong la pen toko lang so adung oraita ingnam te bokhe do la pen thingpi kimi la tu pik staminili tu mithang men chirok po pada kroi kre alang tum chi hiluwing be ko na pen dong wan ne kang duk wan roi lake litri ne hema phana ta henu lake.
Sonjit Crow and Samson Inti from Nilip for Karbi Anglong Live. With an aim to strengthen the party for the upcoming Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election, the BJP leaders of Chinthong constituency organized a conference on Tuesday. Here is a report. The conference was held under the initiative of the Umlapher Mandal in its own office. The main objective of the meeting was to mobilize party members to work in the grassroots for better performance of the party in the upcoming Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council elections. Party leaders say that in the upcoming elections, the BJP party must come victorious in all the 23 polling stations. Among the party leaders who attended the conference were Alom Rongpi, Raju Patrai, Harlinson Ronghi, Socheng Tiso and others. Many local leaders and party workers from Chinthong constituency were also present. Hemari Rongpar's report from Ulukunchi for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.